Namaste, I am Javian Swarnima. Today we will discuss about contract document and contract. Now, the first topic is contract document. Before work is given out on contract, an arrangement or bond is prepared. That is known as contract document. The sum of following document shall be attached to contract agreement or bond, which should be duty endorsed and sealed. Each page shall bear signature of contractor and accepting authority, and all correction shall be similarly initiated. The first page is title page, having name of work, contract bond number, etc. The second page is index page, having contract of agreement with page references. The third one is standard notice, giving brief description of work, estimated cost of work, date and time of tender, amount of earnest money and security money, time of completion, etc. Earnest money, usually 2% of estimated cost, is deposited along with tender. The fourth one is standard form, in which giving bill of quantities, contractor's rate, and total cost of works and time for completion, progress of work, security money, penalty clause, etc. Fifth is bill of quantities or schedule of quantities, in which giving quantities and rates of each item of work and cost of work, each item of work, and total cost of whole work. Schedule next is schedule of issue of material, giving list of material to be issued to contractor with rates and place of issue. The next is general specification. Specification, the class and type of work in general. The next is detailed specification, in which each item of work and each item of work and of each material to be used in work. Ninth one is drawings. The most important point is drawings. Complete sets of drawing including plans, elevations, sections, detailed drawing, etc. and site plan, all fully dimensions. The next is condition of contract, containing terms and condition of contract detail. The conditions specify following. First is rates inclusive of material, transport, labor, TNP, all other agreement necessary the completion of work. Next is amount of security money, time of completion of work, progress to be maintained, penalty for unsatisfactory and hard work for failure in maintaining progress for delay in completion, mode of payment, running account payment, final payment, security money refund, extension of time limit of contract, and rules of employment, minimum wages to labor, compensation to labor, authority deciding extra and item and contract claims. These all are the contract condition which is specific following. The next is a special condition. Depending on the nature of work regarding taxes, royalties, which are included in rates, labor camp, labor amenities, compensation to labor in case of accident, etc. So these are all in contract document. Now, what is contract? A contract is a legally binding or valid agreement between two parties. The law will consider a contract to be valid if agreement contains all the following elements. First is offer and acceptance. Second, an intention between parties to create binding relation. Third, consideration to be paid for promise made. Fourth, legal capacity of parties to act. Fifth, genuine consent of parties. Sixth, legality of agreement. An agreement that lacks one or more of element listed above is not a valid contract. Now, types of contract. First is lump sum contract. Second is item rate contract. Third is lump sum and schedule contract. Fourth is cost plus fixed fee contract. Fifth is cost plus percentage of contract. The next is special contract. These are all types of contract which we will discuss in next video lecture. Thank you.